Are you ready to take control of your credit score? Well, look no further because I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Check your credit report. Start by accessing your credit report from a reputable credit bureau to review your current standing. Look for any errors or discrepancies that need to be corrected. Step 2. Pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on schedule is one of the most crucial factors in building a good credit score. Late payments can have a negative impact on your creditworthiness. Step 3. Reduce your credit utilization. Keep your credit card balances low and aim to use less than 30% of your available credit. High credit utilization can indicate financial instability, negatively affecting your score. Step 4. Don't close old accounts. Closing old credit accounts may seem like a good idea, but it can actually decrease your credit history length and utilization ratio, potentially lowering your score. Step 5. Diversify your credit. Demonstrating responsible use of various types of credit, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, can positively impact your creditworthiness. Step 6. Limit new credit applications. Applying for multiple credit cards or loans within a short period can signal financial distress to lenders. Only apply for new credit when necessary. Step 7. Monitor your credit regularly. Stay vigilant by checking your credit regularly. Look out for unauthorized activity or potential fraud that could harm your credit score. Remember, building or improving your credit takes time and patience. But with these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering your credit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Click the link in the banner to learn more.